Today, we're going to talk about how to build your online courses, online reputation, and we have the online reputation expert, Antonio Banderas, aka Anthony. Actually, his real name is Anthony, not Antonio Banderas. He is here with us. What do we got?
Well, today we're going to be talking about how to build your course's online reputation.
That's right.
And I think
we got
Johnny,
3 things.
We have to ask, why is that even important?
Why do you care?
Why should you care?
It is important that you care, and why is that? He's the best one to answer
Your
this.
online reputation is everything.
Everything with a capital E. And then a V-E-R, very thing. E, very thing, because it's everything.
Do you know why it's everything, Johnny?
I don't know, man. Why?
The reason why, Johnny, is because reputation drives sales.
Oh my God. Everything we go equals reputation equals sales. Hold on. Reputation
There it is.
equals sales.
Reputation equals sales. And the reason why is if someone's looking for an online course, the course that you specifically are looking to offer, would you like to buy a course from someone that has no reputation online from a Google search, or someone that's established?
If I don't know who you are, I'm not going to buy your course.
And the reality is, and I hate to say this, but there's a lot of scams out there.
That's true.
So
a lot of scammers.
if you don't have your reputation built, you don't have the trust and you don't have the sales. So reputation will always be one of the most important things, if not the most important, that you do as you're building your course.
Except the one thing that's more important is our free MasterClass. It's our free MasterClass. So go sign up for our free MasterClass right now. It is all about how to develop your e-learning program in 90 days or less and save $10,000 in the process. Once you check that out, this is the most important thing.
You're absolutely right.
And we have 3 ways for you to build the reputation of your online course today. What do we got? What's the first one?
The first one is you have to start establishing an online presence. And just to clarify what that means, remember, anytime someone searches for your name or your course's name on Google, that is your first impression. What they see will drive value for your course and help you convert sales. So you need to make sure that your online brand, your first page of Google search results, is curated with web properties, with content, and websites that you want to promote about yourself that is going to help drive the growth of your course.
Search results matter. The search results for your name, the search results for your course's name. If you search right now, eLearning Simplified Academy, guess what the #1 search result is, Anthony?
Your website.
Exactly, elearningpartners.com / or whatever / eLearning Simplified Academy. You need to show up. If you don't show up, do you really exist?
To the world, no.
Exactly, which is why #2, we're going to tell you where you should be publishing content about you and about your course.
The first thing that you should 100% do before anything else is build your own website. You probably know this at this point, but you cannot build an online reputation or an online brand without a website. So
you should have a personal website in addition to whatever the brand of the course is. Maybe the course brand is your name, and that's fine. Then it should be the same thing. You don't want to have too many things. So a really amazing mentor of ours, Graham Cochran, he sells his courses under his name, the Graham Cochran brand. So if you search Graham Cochran or grahamcochran.com, it is branded around him, but it sells his course from that site, which is Automatic Income Academy. Shout out to Graham.
Absolutely, Johnny. And it is so important that you really listen to what Johnny just said, because if you have, what was the name of that Income Learning Academy?
Automatic Income Academy.
Let's just walk through this really quickly. Say you learn about Automatic Income Academy, and who is the front face of the entire course? It's Graham. What are you going to do if you are serious about the course and you want to do some background research to see if this is the right fit for you and if you can trust this person? You're going to do what, Johnny?
You're going to search their name. Or for us, you would search eLearning partners. And if you figure out what my full name is, Johnny Havey, you're going to search Johnny Havey. And then you're going to see some workout videos that I shot with endorphin teaching yoga. And you'll be like, that guy's really cool. I want his course. Or you're going to search Hector Samutis. You're going to be like, wow, he's from the Greece. And then you're going to be like, I want to work with him because he was in a movie called The Smell of Coffee. Or Pineapple Love. All right, number 3, we got thought leadership-based content. So you need to create content that not only makes you look like an expert, but shows that you are an expert. And this is important because it's one thing posting content on these high domain authority sites or sites like Forbes and Entrepreneur, all these different things. And it's another thing posting content that is your expertise, that is stuff that you couldn't just find anywhere else on the internet, but it's stuff that you truly, truly care about and believe in.
Absolutely, Johnny. And when we're talking about thought leadership content, I think a big concern people might have is, that sounds complicated, or, that sounds expensive. Where do I even publish this content? When you're first getting started, one of the easiest things that you can do is for the website that you create for either your personal brand or your course name, or they might be one and the same, just create a blog.
Yes.
Create a blog page, and what you want to do with the content that you publish, you are the expert in the course and topics that you're selling. You want other people to know the knowledge and value that you provide. One of the easiest ways you can do that is by publishing content consistently on your blog. The other benefit to doing that, not only are you building credibility in thought leadership, but you also have the potential to rank in search results for specific content and blogs that you're pushing out around particular topics.
SEO, specifically on-site.
Yes, so it is called on-site SEO, and really what we're talking about here is inbound lead generation.
Inbound.
You don't
bringing those leads in to you.
Exactly. What you have to put yourself into is the mindset of someone that is searching for a topic that you're an expert on. They go on Google looking for information about that topic, and guess what? You want your website, your blog with this thought leadership content to rank at the top of search results, and it becomes a lead generation tool, Johnny.
Exactly, and then you got a funnel here, right? So the blog is up here, or you have the YouTube video, which is the other one we recommend, by the way, YouTube. And what we do is we actually create a YouTube video, then we get it transcribed into a blog and optimized for SEO.
Johnny, I think it's a great time where I pat yourself on the back, and I want to ask you a very important question.
Oh, yeah, I'm ready.
Based off everything that we've talked about today and what you yourself have implemented, how much traffic are you currently getting to your website?
Well, we went from a year ago launching our website from scratch. We had 0 views to 12 months later, we have 21,000 views a month, and we're growing about 10% a month. So by the time this video goes out, which is 4 months from now when we're shooting it, we should grow to, let's see, so 20, so it'll be about 2,000, another 2,000. We should be around 30 to 35,000 views a month.
And Johnny, while you're at 30 to 35,000 views a month, which I'm very confident you're at, because this video is going to be posted in the future, you would be looking...
Manifestation.
Exactly right. And you know what I'm manifesting, Johnny? I want to be 10 pounds lighter and a lot fitter.
Yes! You are fit though already. He's just gonna be like the Incredible Hulk.
Thank you, Johnny. We'll see where we're at.
With this incredible beard. So you probably found this video doing this very thing, looking for thought leadership, and guess what? Now you're entering the funnel because now you're gonna sign up for that free
Gotta do it.
MasterClass. Because you want to launch your next e-learning program in 90 days or less. And more importantly, you want to save 10 G's. And I'm not talking about just G's, I'm talking about 10,000 doll hairs. And that's what you're going to save when you sign up for the MasterClass.
Thank you for your likes and subscribes.